the 1080p Wi-Fi dual camera dash cam, and the 3-camera dash cam for car. If you're in the market for a reliable and feature-packed dash cam, stick around because we've got you covered. Let's break it down feature by feature. First up, let's talk about the price. The 1080p Wi-Fi dual camera dash cam is priced at $16.79, while the 3-camera dash cam for car comes in at a more budget-friendly $8.93. If you're looking to save some cash, the 3-camera dash cam for car might be the one for you. Now, let's dive into the resolution. Both of these dash cams offer 1080p resolution, ensuring you get clear and detailed video footage of your journeys. You can rest easy knowing that both options will capture high-quality recordings. Next, let's look at the camera setup. The 1080p Wi-Fi dual camera dash cam features a front and inside camera setup, perfect for capturing the road ahead and the interior of your car. On the other hand, the 3-camera dash cam for car takes it a step further with front, rear, and inside cameras. This means you get comprehensive coverage of your entire vehicle, giving you that extra peace of mind. Both dash cams are equipped with night vision. The 1080p Wi-Fi dual camera dash cam comes with IR night vision, while the 3-camera dash cam for car offers standard night vision. No matter which you choose, you'll have clear recordings even in low-light conditions. Another important feature is loop recording. Both dash cams support this, meaning they will automatically overwrite the oldest footage when the memory card is full. This ensures you have continuous recording without having to worry about running out of storage space. Wide-angle coverage is a must-have, and both dash cams deliver with a wide-angle lens. This allows you to capture more of your surroundings in each recording, giving you a broader field of view. Next up is Wi-Fi connectivity. Both dash cams offer this feature, allowing you to easily transfer footage to your smartphone or other devices. This makes managing and sharing your recordings a breeze. Both dash cams also come with parking mode. This feature monitors your car when parked and can provide evidence in case of any incidents that occur while your vehicle is unattended. The G sensor is another essential feature present in both dash cams. It detects sudden movements or impacts and automatically locks the current recording to prevent it from being overwritten. This is crucial for capturing important footage during accidents. Now let's talk about the screen size. The 1080p Wi-Fi dual camera dash cam has a smaller 1.5-inch screen, making it compact and less obtrusive on your dashboard. The 3-camera dash cam for car, on the other hand, boasts a slightly larger 2-inch screen, providing a more comfortable viewing experience. Storage is another important consideration. The 1080p Wi-Fi dual camera dash cam supports storage up to 256 gigabytes, allowing for extended recording time before needing to transfer or delete files. The 3-camera dash cam for car supports storage up to 128 gigabytes. Finally, let's look at the additional features. The 1080p Wi-Fi dual camera dash cam includes built-in Wi-Fi and app control, hands-free voice control, 24-hour parking mode, and comes with a free 64-gigabyte memory card. The 3-camera dash cam for car includes built-in Wi-Fi, reversing image capability, G sensor, and 24-hour parking monitor. Check out the links in the description below for more details on these dash cams and to make a purchase. So, which one should you choose? The 3-camera dash cam for car stands out with its additional rear camera, slightly larger screen size, and lower price, making it a more comprehensive choice for overall coverage at a more affordable cost. But if you need higher storage capacity and hands-free voice control, the 1080p Wi-Fi dual camera dash cam might be your go-to. Check out the links in the description. Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll be revealing some advanced dash cams with even more exciting features. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.